Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of flagship smartphones with the highly anticipated Honor Magic 6 Pro. Boasting cutting-edge features and innovative technology, this device aims to redefine the smartphone experience. So, without further ado, let's unravel the magic of the Honor Magic 6 Pro. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this phone from Amazon at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So, let's start the video. First impressions matter, and the Honor Magic 6 Pro certainly delivers in this department. With its sleek and sophisticated design, it exudes elegance and premium craftsmanship. The 6.8-inch OLED display steals the spotlight, offering a stunning visual feast with its crisp 2800 by 1280 resolution. What's more, it boasts an impressive 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth scrolling and seamless transitions. Now, let's talk about capturing life's moments in breathtaking detail. The Honor Magic 6 Pro features a powerful camera setup that leaves no stone unturned. With a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an 18-megapixel 2.5x telephoto lens, every shot is a masterpiece waiting to happen. Whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes or zooming in on distant subjects, the results are nothing short of spectacular. And let's not forget the 50-megapixel selfie camera, perfect for snapping stunning self-portraits and video calls. Under the hood, the Honor Magic 6 Pro packs a punch with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and a whopping 12 GB of RAM. Whether you're multitasking like a pro or diving into the latest mobile games, this device handles everything with ease. And with a generous 512 GB of storage, you'll never have to worry about running out of space for your apps, photos, and videos. Powering this beast is a massive 5,600 mAh battery, ensuring you stay connected and productive throughout the day. But what's even more impressive is the charging speed. With 80W wired charging and 66W wireless charging, you'll be back up to full power in no time. Say goodbye to long charging times and hello to uninterrupted usage. Running on Android 14 with macOS 8.0, the Honor Magic 6 Pro offers a seamless and intuitive user experience. From customizable themes to advanced security features, it's designed to cater to your every need. And with a size of 162.5 by 75.8 by 8.9 millimeters and weighing just 225 grams, it's both compact and lightweight, making it perfect for on-the-go usage. Plus, with color options like black and AP green, you can choose a style that suits your personality. In conclusion, the Honor Magic 6 Pro is a true powerhouse that excels in every aspect. From its stunning design and immersive display to its powerful camera and lightning-fast performance, it's a device that ticks all the boxes. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a mobile gamer, or simply someone who demands the best from their